Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the sign-in option is disabled error in Windows 11. If you're seeing a message saying your sign-in options are disabled and you can't log in, don't worry. This guide is very simple and perfect even if you have zero knowledge about Windows 11. Let's start with the easiest fix. First, look at the message on your screen. Windows usually disables sign-in options temporarily after too many wrong password attempts. In this case, the solution is very simple. Just wait for about 2 to 5 minutes without touching anything. After waiting, restart your computer and try signing in again. If that didn't work, let's move to the next fix. Restart your computer again. On the sign-in screen, click on the power icon in the bottom right corner. Now press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click on Restart. Keep holding Shift until you see a blue screen. Now click on Troubleshoot. Then click on Advanced Options. Next, click on Startup Settings. Now click on Restart. When your PC restarts, you'll see a list of options. Press number 4 on your keyboard to enter Safe Mode. Once Windows starts in safe mode, sign in to your account. After logging in, click on the Start button and open Settings. Now go to Accounts. Next, click on Sign-in Options. Here, turn off options like PIN, fingerprint, or face recognition if they are enabled. Now restart your computer normally. Try signing in again. In most cases, the problem will be fixed. If the issue still continues, here is another easy solution. On the sign-in screen, click on the power icon again. Hold the Shift key and click on Restart. Go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. This time, click on System Restore. Select a restore point from a date when your computer was working fine. Click Next and then Finish. Let Windows restore your system. After the restore is complete, your sign-in options should be enabled again. And that's it. This is how you fix the sign-in option is disabled problem in Windows 11, even if you are a complete beginner. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows 11 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.